Europe, land of baguettes, questionable fashion choices, and yes, a whole lot of laws. From the cobblestone streets of Paris to the bustling markets of Berlin, it's a continent made up of many different countries, each with its own unique legal system. Think of it like a giant legal buffet. You've got your French law, your German law, your Spanish law, and so on. Each country brings its own flavour to the table. On top of all these national laws, you've also got European Union, EU, law. The EU acts like a glue, binding these diverse nations together with a common set of rules. The EU is like a club of European countries that have agreed to play by a common set of rules. These rules help streamline everything from trade to travel. So whether you're a seasoned traveller or a first-time visitor, understanding the basics of European law can save you a whole lot of trouble. Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of European legal systems together. All right. Let's talk about everyone's favourite topic. Immigration, it's a journey filled with excitement, but also a fair share of challenges. Getting into Europe isn't as simple as booking a flight and packing a suitcase. There's a lot more to it than meets the eye. There are visas, residency permits, and enough paperwork to make a bureaucrat blush. The process can be daunting, but it's all part of the adventure. First up, the Schengen visa. This is your golden ticket to explore Europe. This magical document allows you to roam freely across 26 European countries for up to 90 days. Imagine the possibilities. But like all good things in life, it comes with conditions. There are rules you must follow. You'll need to prove you can support yourself financially, have travel insurance, and meet other requirements. And of course, you must promise not to overstay your welcome. Respecting the duration of your visa is crucial. If you're thinking of staying longer, you'll need a long-term residency permit. This is a whole new ball game. Each country has its own rules and requirements, so do your research. Understanding the specifics can save you a lot of headaches. Here's the good news. Even if you're not a citizen of a European country, you still have rights. Basic human rights, those inalienable rights that every human being is entitled to. These rights are enshrined in the European Convention on Human Rights, a treaty that all European countries have signed. And if you're working in Europe, you've got even more rights to celebrate. European law is serious about protecting workers' rights, so expect things like a minimum wage, limits on working hours, and paid vacation time. Remember, you have rights. Stand up for them. Section 4. Legal SOS, where to find help. So, you've found yourself in a bit of a legal pickle in Europe. Don't panic, we've got your back. First on your list should be your embassy or consulate. They can provide you with information about your rights, help you contact lawyers, and even intervene with local authorities if necessary. Next up, government legal aid services. Most European countries offer free or low-cost legal assistance to those who can't afford a lawyer. And let's not forget about NGOs dedicated to defending human rights and providing legal assistance. Section 5, fighting back, addressing rights violations. So, you're convinced your rights have been violated. This can be a daunting realization, but it's important to know that you have options and support available. Europe has mechanisms in place to address human rights violations and hold perpetrators accountable. These mechanisms are designed to ensure justice and uphold the principles of human dignity and equality. Remember those NGOs we talked about? They play a crucial role in the fight for human rights. They're on the front lines of fighting for justice. These organizations are often the first point of contact for victims seeking help. They can help you file complaints, raise awareness about your case, and even take legal action on your behalf. Their expertise and dedication can make a significant difference in your fight for justice. And then there's the European Court of Human Rights. This court is a beacon of hope for many. This international court hears cases from individuals who believe their rights have been violated under the European Convention on Human Rights. It provides a platform for justice on an international scale. Educate yourself about your rights, know where to turn for help, and don't be afraid to speak up. Knowledge is power, and being informed is the first step towards reclaiming your rights and ensuring justice is served. Section 6, your European Legal Toolkit. There you have it, folks, a crash course in European law. We've covered everything from immigration to human rights to how to find legal help when you need it most. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. European law is complex and ever-evolving, so always do your research and seek professional advice if you're unsure. Stay informed, stay safe, and enjoy your European adventure.